New genuine original Dell AC adapter with non-retail packaging. Please kindly note. There are two kind of interface with Model LA65NS2-01. Please confirm the interface diameter is 4.5 mm before purchase. Output. 19.5 volts minus 3.25 A, 65 W 4.5 mm tip. Compatible SKU or DP N 0MGJN9/0G6J41/0GG2WG 043 New York 4. Compatible factory model HA65NS500 LA65NS2-01. Compatible computer model Inspiron 13 5000 Series 5370 Inspiron 14 5000 Series 5488 Inspiron 14 5000 Series 2 inches 1 5482 Inspiron 14 5000 Series 5480 Inspiron 15 7572 Inspiron 14 3000 Series 3480 Inspiron 15 3000 Series 3583 Inspiron 15 5000 Series 5580 Inspiron 15 7000 Series 7580 Inspiron 15 7000 Series 7570 Inspiron 14 7000 Series 7472 Latitude 3490 Vostro 3480 Vostro 3583 Vostro 5370 Vostro 5471 Vostro 5481 Vostro 5568 Vostro 5581 Inspiron 22 3000 Series AIO 3277 INS. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this one. I had purchased a 45-watt charger power cord for my Dell because my puppy dog had chewed up the charger that came with my laptop. The 45-watt charger worked once in a while but seemed to cause the computer to have massive slowdowns and for the screen to flash randomly. I talked to another Dell owner who had a similar problem and they recommended trying a 65-watt charger. After buying this 65-watt charger I have had no such problems and my laptop is a joy to use again.